ugly. Let's put you in the back. You're ugly too. Let's put you in the back. I don't know why my curls are falling out. Stupid curls. And you're ugly too. Let's shove you in the back. Hey there, makeup freaks. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vale. In today's video, we are going to do something a little bit more classier for Saturday night outing. And we are going to use the Tarte palette. And this is the Tarte's Pro palette. And it's the Amazonian Clay palette, which has very beautiful colors. All right, let's go ahead and jump into it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, I know you guys can notice that I already have my eyebrows done. I am going to have a future video of my brows, how I complete it. So we're going to start off with our eyes, and I'm going to start off with Classic, which is this white color, and I'm going to lay it on my whole lid and all the way up to my brow bone. And we're going to use the Lawrence LR1112 blending brush for this step. For our transition color, which will be our crease color, we're gonna go into Bold, which is this very light, more of a khaki color, and we're going to use our Firma 201 brush. For blending brush today, we're going to use the Morphe M505 brush. For our second crease color, we are going to go into Drama, which is this purplish burgundy color, and we are going to be using our Sigma E25 brush for this step. For our lid color, we are going to dip into GLAM, and we are going to apply it with our finger. With our Laura brush, we're gonna dip into this white color that is called Vintage, and we're gonna use it on our brow bone. For eyeliner today, we are going to go back with our Sigma Long Wear eyeliner, and this is in shade Wicked, which is a black color. Now we're gonna top it off with mascara, and we're using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is in Majestic Black. And this step, we're just doing our top lashes. Now I'm done with my eye. Now let's go ahead and fast forward the next eye. And that is how I accomplished my eyes. Okay guys, let's take a quick pause and acknowledge how pretty this palette is. Tell me it isn't. I forgot how much I love this palette. I think I need to do more videos with this palette. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, let's continue. Now let's move on to our face, and we're gonna start off with our NYX First Base Priming Spray. Now we're gonna come in with our E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer to minimize the pores. Just get a little. For today's foundation, we are using the Fit Me, and this one is in beige, and we are going to pair it with our NYX Hydratouch oil. We're gonna use our beauty sponge from E.L.F. today. For concealer today, we are going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and this one is in light vanilla. Now we're gonna come in with our Fenty Beauty setting powder, and this one is in shade Butter, and we're gonna set our under eyes. Okay guys, this is like my biggest complaint about setting powder. It's so messy and it gets all over you. It looks like I was eating a powdered donut. Okay, now that we got that situated, we're gonna use our Fit Me pressed powder, and this one is in beige, and I'm going to use my BH Cosmetic flat brush for the rest of my face. While we are waiting for our under eyes to set, let's go ahead and go dip in back into our Tarte palette, and let's do our under eyes. And today we're going to use the BDB smudging brush for the under eye. And if you know me, I like to do a pop of color in my inner corner. So we are going to go with this darker color, which is trendy, which is this green color. And we are going to apply it with our BH Cosmetic dual brush, and we're going to use the smaller end. Oh my god guys, you see why I say that I need to use this palette more? That green is just so pretty. All right, let's go ahead and add our mascara to the bottom lash. Let's clean off the setting powder so we can proceed with our face. To clean it off, I'm using this BH Cosmetic round brush. For our bronzer and blush, we are going to go in with our Pacifica, and this is the vegan product, and this is the Desert Sunset palette. Let's start off with our bronzer. Remember, fishy face. For blush, we're going to use the BH Cosmetic, and this one is brush 3. For highlighter, I'm actually going to use 2, so I'm going to use the Manna liquid, and then I'm going to come in with the Daisy and Pearl to top it off on top of the liquid one. And now our powder highlighter, and we're going to use it, we're going to apply it with the Morphe M510. And by now, you guys already know I like to put highlighter underneath my brow bone, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're using the Laura's brush, the one that we used earlier for our brow bone. Look, such a difference. You have to put the highlighter. And let's go ahead now and let's blend it out. And we're gonna use this big Kabuki Tarte brush to blend everything together. And now I'm done. You know, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I didn't think this one through. I did not pick a lip color for today. So we're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna pick whatever random color I pick out right now. Let's see which one comes out. I grabbed way too many. All right, I'm gonna have my assistant pick one color. We are going to be using the Trust Issue from Anastasia Anastasia Beverly Hills. And you guys know that we cannot complete our look without our setting spray. And we are using our CoverGirl Outlast Active Setting Spray to finish off. And that is how I completed my glammy look for today. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. And if you have any questions or you want to see any techniques or you want to learn something or you want me to do a video of, let me know down in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Just a reminder, I am posting twice a week starting the new year, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.